All right, I don't know if anyone else is extremely frustrated with ticket templates, but I am very frustrated with ticket templates. I'm trying to record something for my portal where I share little videos on how to do pretty much everything in ConnectWise Manage, ConnectWise PSA. And I am trying to create a tutorial in regards to how to automatically generate a QBR ticket or a sales ticket that pops up every 3 months automatically on a sales board. And I'm using ticket templates to do so. In that process, I have gotten it wrong multiple times and made so many mistakes when it comes to ticket templates. I always get stumped on these, so I thought I would share all the mistakes I've made this morning in regards to ticket templates. For those of you who don't know, ticket templates allow you to create a template for a ticket with tasks associated with it. And that can be really helpful when you have something like a QBR where you want to make sure that you are doing the same steps or your salespeople are doing the same steps every time. So I'm under my setup tables, ticket templates, and I've built my template. So I've built a QBR ticket template. I have my tasks associated with it, and I thought I was good to go, ready to go. I wanted to attach this to one specific company. So under the company database, I selected the company that I would like to attach the ticket template to. And I went ahead and went into the ticket template profile. And I'm going to add the template I've already created here, which is going to be our QBR one. I'll copy that over and go ahead and hit save. So I thought I was in the clear. I'm going to put this on a different board. I'm going to make sure that I have the right type, etc. And I had everything organized. Generate schedule entries 7 days prior to resources date. Perfect. I hit save and generate now. So first mistake, I hadn't put any schedule time on this. So nothing was created, no schedule records. Not ideal. Mistake number one. Okay, I remembered I had to go into the resources tab and generate a schedule entry. So I have to tell this ticket when I would like it to be generated for. Went in, hit the plus sign. I left this unassigned and I said that I would like this to be on November 1st. So I'm going to say the start date is November 1st. And I'll keep the end date the same. I want it to generate maybe every 3 months. This is a quarterly review. So then I said, all right, I have that organized. I want this for November 1st. I hit save, went back to the template, generate now, nothing. Okay. So now I thought, I think they need to have a resource assigned to them. I don't know that I could necessarily leave them blank. So I'm going to go into the resource. I'll update the resource to a resource. And I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Try it again. Nothing generated. Let's go back into the resources scheduling. I put no end date. I said no end date here. And as we scroll down, now hopefully this is going to work. I went back to the template section and scrolled down and realized that the auto generation options were 7 days prior to the resource scheduled date. And I actually need it to be 14 because I'm more than 7 days away from November 1st. I hit save and then generate now. And finally, one ticket was created. I don't know which series of events allowed me to generate a service ticket here, but I wanted to show you all the gotchas that I went through this morning and to prove to myself that I could finally get a ticket to generate. So here it is. Here are some of the things that you want to keep in mind when you are putting together your ticket templates. And of course, the end goal is to have that lovely ticket for my quarterly QBR generated on a board already assigned with my list of tasks So now I can start to prepare for that meeting. In the end, it all worked. Thank goodness. If you have questions, if you're running into issues like this, remember to like and subscribe and post your comments below. I'm more than happy to take a look.